Hello friends, my name is Dr. Bharath Chandra. The videos are meant for the benefit of society. Today's topic, full summary of markets in 2022-23, a must watch for everybody. Financial year 2022-23 has come to an end. It was a very volatile year for global stock markets, mainly due to the impact of Russia-Ukraine war, high inflation all over the world, and slowdown and recession in many countries. We are summarizing some of the stock market data for the financial year 2022-23. Best performing global indices. France CAC 9.59% up in the year 2022-23. Germany DAX 8.12% up. UK FTSE 1.62% up. South Africa JALS 0.98% up. Japan Nikkei 0.79% up. India Sensex 0.72% up. You can almost say it's flat. And China Shanghai Composite 0.64% up. Now worst performing global markets for the year 2022-23. Malaysia minus 10.38%, Taiwan minus 10.32%, Korea minus 10.18%, Philippines minus 9.77%, Hong Kong minus 7.26%, Singapore minus 4.39%. Among the individual stocks in the Nifty, some stocks did very well, whereas many other stocks fell significantly.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಭರತ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟು. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮೆಸೇಜು ಅಥವಾ ಇಮೇಲನ್ನು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಟ್ಸು ಜುಲೈ 2021ಇಂದ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 2022 ಬ್ಯಾಚಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ವೆಬಿನಾರ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ ವೆಬಿನಾರ್ ನಾಳೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ನಡೀತದೆ. ಇದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಭರತ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ, ಹಾಗೂ ಜುಲೈ 2021 ಟು ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 2022 ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಆ ಮೆಸೇಜನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಹಾಗೂ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು.
Now top gainers in Nifty for 22-23. ITC appreciated by 53%, M&M 44, Britannia 35, NTPC 30, HUL 25. Now top losers in Nifty financial year 2022-23, Wipro minus 38%, Divi's Lab minus 36%, Hindalco Industries minus 29%, Tech Mahindra minus 27%, Bajaj Financial Service minus 26%. Now best performing sectors in Nifty, FMCG plus 27% in 2022-23, automobile plus 16%, bank plus 12%, financial services plus 5%, infrastructure plus 1%. Now worst performing sectors in Nifty 2022-23, media minus 29%, IT minus 21%, real estate minus 16%, metal minus 14%, energy minus 12%. We are organizing a crash course on stock markets for beginners on Sunday early morning at 9:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. And that session will be an eye-opener for beginners and also for people who are already investing but want to invest scientifically. If you want to get the details, click on the description box below and then you can register, but already the seats are almost full. In the year 2022-23, FIIs kept selling and withdrawing money from Indian stock markets. However, DIIs saved our market from a heavy fall by continuous investments. Retail investors invested in mutual funds and provided funds for DIIs to invest. Now institutional investment, April 2022, FIIs first, DIIs next. I am reading and it is in crores. Minus 20,518 versus 30,743. May 2022 minus 37,663 versus 50,836. June 2022 minus 44,653 versus plus 46,599. July plus 6,719 versus plus 10,545. August plus 53,994 versus minus 7,069. September minus 13,406 by FIIs and DIIs pumped 14,120 crores. October 2022 FIIs plus 12,707, DIIs plus 9277. November 2022 FIIs plus 38,235, DIIs minus 6,301. December 2022 FIIs minus 1,354, DIIs plus 24,159. January 2023 FIIs minus 29,950 versus 33,412 pumped by DIIs. February 2023 FIIs minus 5279, DIIs plus 19,139. March 2023 FIIs plus 12,588 and DIIs 28,069, total minus 28,580 and DIIs plus 2,53,529 crores. Now, at the end of the video, for our own estimation and opinion collection, we are asking you a question. Sensex and Nifty were flat in the year 2022-23. What expectation do you have for 2023-24? Kindly type so that everyone will know. Finally, we can take the average and find out what is the public opinion. 4 choices: more than plus 10%, 0 to 10%, 0 to minus 10%, minus 10% or lesser. If you are not the member of Stock Market Academy channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends, and at the end, thank you for watching. Bye bye, all the best.